What in the world? Is this like a carnival ride, you guys? Oh, it's like a carnival ride. It looks fun. Okay, we're in.
That's right here.
We got our tickets. Oh yeah, there was. That's when they had the dinosaur exhibit going on.
That's a car wheel.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Wakey, wakey. You see the squirrel monkey anywhere? Okay, the monkeys aren't out yet, but we have these monkeys that are out. What if people stopped and watched you? Look at the monkey. Look at this monkey. He's funny. Look, Daxton, I found your girlfriend at the zoo.
That's not mine.
Here's
What is in her hand?
Why does she have a mullet?
I'm on the way.
He's a little baldy right here.
You can pet him. Aww. Hi, little guy. They're having breakfast.
Little ball right here. How does it have little balls?
Is that where his horn was coming through?
Don't give me. Bro, why are you looking at me like that? Why look at your teeth?
He looks like a billy goat with that
You're
beard.
soft, mama.
Hi, guys. Good morning. Good
Dang,
morning.
look at you fat little cow.
Y'all look like y'all wallered the bed down.
Look at his face.
God.
Look at that guy's face.
They wallered it down. I know, I see it.
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are
They're
you looking
like,
at me
what do
like
y'all want?
that? I just want your wool.
Coming over here staring at us. Looks like they've extended this whole petting zoo area. Yeah, it was really small before. Now it's, they widened it.
Mom, I broke my ankle.
Don't break your ankle. Keep your legs straight.
Oh god. Oh god. Ah!
Should I go down it? Will I fit?
Oh no, you wouldn't.
Will I fit? Oh, I. Oh my gosh. they chain them up right here.
I guess so.
On this side. Dang it. Come on. This is my home. Dad, we entered the barn cave.
For grizzly bears.
Dad, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Help me.
Brother! Brother! Long live the king! Hey, you rebel, you can't do that! You couldn't! You're gonna get kicked out. Why are they so cute, y'all?
This is just a fence.
Baby alligators are so cute.
This is just a fence.
Oh my goodness.
If we had a tank like that, we.
Oh, is this your new family? That's your mom and your new baby brother?
Or is that your wife and son?
Your wife, and you're sitting on your wife's lap though? He's way up here, isn't he?
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, there's another one there.
Oh, what the? He's climbing. He's climbing.
Wow, he's big. This is a emerald tree boa. He's really big.
This guy's cute.
Look at that diamond-shaped head. What kind of snake is this? Does it say?
See,
He's a
Python.
python.
he's under the water somewhere.
Green
looking right at
anaconda.
Mom, he's looking right at us.
Oh my gosh, he's huge. Oh, he's looking at us this morning. Hello. What's his name?
Bobby.
Bobby. Hi, Bobby.
He's a green anaconda.
He's huge. Look at his body.
He is
bro.
ginormous.
And look at it. He gets this all to himself. Look.
I guess that's a good sized cage, huh? He's used to it. He's been here a while.
He's not in the water this time. He's right there.
Whoa. A reticulated python. He's big.
Must have been here. Oh, look, it made a den. With all this. See?
A
Made
king
den.
snake.
It's in it.
Speckled king snake.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite one?
All the newts. All the
newts?
newts
Yeah.
and the anaconda.
Ooh, yeah, me too.
And that big one we solved, the one what blended in with the ground.
Yes.
That one was my favorite.
And I like those little dart frogs, the little tiny poisonous ones.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
I like toads.
The toads? Yeah, they were cute.
And the snakes.
Which snake was your favorite?
The green one.
You could get turtles in this vending machine. Okay, what kind of turtle do you want?
What? For real?
Yeah, you can get a snapping turtle, pig nose. Which one you want?
Pig
And the turtles will come out here, and you just grab them.
Pig nose.
Okay.
I want to ride. What am I?
Yeah, he's gonna make that little path again.
Mama, this is Starbucks Street. And
Okay, you wanna get one?
yeah. See, look.
Starbucks?
Starbucks?
Yeah. Ooh, yummy. You want one? Okay. He's drinking coffee and climbing on the rocks when he's not supposed to. So please do not climb on rocks. What do you got to say for yourself?
Lol. Oh, I see him.
You do?
Yeah, he's just laying right here.
I don't see anything.
Right there.
I can't crawl down in there.
He's right there. Here, give me your phone.
Okay. Don't spill it.
He's right there.
Okay, I see
Hi,
him now.
Dad, baby. He said,
so cute.
I'm a dad, this bit is. Okay, here you go.
Good job, Betty.
Sideways.
Go stand over there by that, y'all.
Like what?
About this.
Turn and meow. Like a little cat. The mountain lions. Meow.
It's a boy.
Mom, what is
It's an
that?
animal, not anatomic. But no, look.
Daddy! Daddy!
We got a mountain lion over
Mom,
here.
it's a white-tailed deer.
And we
See?
got some food over
It's a
here.
white-tailed deer. It's a white-tailed deer, see?
Yeah, he's looking at him. He's like, should I run? He's coming at you. Look at him. Wow. Coming up right to the glass.
It's adorable.
He's looking at you. Wow. You're curious. Look, Daxon, he's looking at you. Oh my goodness, how cute.
They're so fuzzy. I can tell they're really fuzzy. See? See?
They are. So does this have like just birds walking around?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
which way you going this way?
Let's look at these pheasants right here. Hey man, ain't you supposed to be at Walmart? They got you on display here.
Bro, what's up, bro?
You must be pretty popular. He's funny.
Look at that little head.
He looks kind of angry this morning. Hey, give him some of your coffee.
Wait, what?
He needs some coffee.
Look at us.
Hey, come here. He's coming up to us, y'all. These animals have been coming right up to us today.
I didn't jump at it.
Come on, goosey goose. Come on. Yeah. Want some coffee? Daxon's got coffee this morning. Y'all need some? Where you at, Roadrunner?
He's right there.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Oh.
He's behind there. The doors have to be closed. Let's go into the creatures of the night. This is the dark room.
This is scary. God,
You're gonna have bats and owls. What else, Doc?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you this place. This place is called area, and they actually contain one of those bats. Okay, you see the thing.
Be careful.
They contain them in a type of glass. See? They contain them. See that? They contain them.
Ooh, there's the bats.
So they contain them. See?
Insectivorous bat.
And these are the season bats, so be careful.
A great horned owl. Oh, she's so pretty.
She's so fat.
These are the guys you hear at night going.
Juicy. Look at his face.
This is a screech owl. I think this is the one we heard in our tree one time. I looked down and there's an armadillo
Mama,
down
look.
here.
Is this why you went over here? Because you don't want to see this?
We got this cutie pie up here, and then we got this
It looks like
thing making a mess down here. He's so cute, I guess. That's funny. Okay, so Oklahoma City Zoo. We just got cheetahs here. I think we got.
The other side of the bricks.
They are. I think we got 3 cheetahs in this new exhibit here. I remember when they was working on this for a long time over here.
Look at this.
It's finally done. What's it say? A serval.
That's what this fur is.
Open this one. Painted dog.
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
I wonder what this is.
Hyena.
Hyena.
Those are all the spotted animals?
In the world? Milk ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich, buddy.
Hi. Hi there. How are you?
He's ignoring us, Mom.
Okay, so is this part of the cheetah thing too over here? Yo, the hyenas are painted dog. Is that the same thing, yo?
Now the painted dog is one of actually
Answer the question. It's me. This TV literally just answered my question. She's like, Mommy! She's getting excited. I wonder which one's her mom.
But that one's watching her, see?
This is their names. Jerry.
Okay, that's the
Dimitri,
baby.
Julu, Ellie, Keone, Mashamba.
Who's the baby?
Well, you got money. Her's being silly this morning.
Mom's silly because it's the surprise.
You go to school, tell Ellie you tell her to do.
Let's see if she skips again. Look at her, she's skipping. She's excited. So is this Ellie, maybe? The baby?
Yeah.
The young one?
I wonder who her mom is.
I don't know.
I think it's that one right there. See?
Well, there's a big one over here.
That one was watching Ellie.
This one might be the male. I don't know. Feeding them. Hi.
I want to feed one. And I need to feed them.
We'll have to see how much it is. How much is it to feed?
It is $5.
Okay. Okay, this says prairie dogs. What? That's not a prairie dog, that's a squirrel.
Yeah.
What the? Look, Jackson. These are turtle eggs or snake eggs? Wow, they're gonna have a lot of babies.
No, these are snake eggs.
Are they real?
Look at this big old snake right here. It's a rattlesnake.
She's eggs. I see his eggs. Do you not see?
Look at this one. He's long.
Okay, he's
This
one.
is a bull snake.
Aw, he's not
He's
venomous.
awake.
He's not
He
venomous.
had his coffee this morning.
He's not venomous. See?
He had his coffee, huh?
Yeah, but he's not venomous. See?
Nope, he's not.
Aw, I wanna.
Little cuties. Whoa, look at this grizzly bear. There, gum, he's out of his cage. Somebody call security. Call security. Look at those eagles. Gorgeous. His arm span is bigger than yours.
So that means
That's how
eagles-
big they are. This is the wingspan of a female bald eagle.
Oh,
You can reach up to 7 feet. Okay, you do it, Daddy. Let's see. Yep, just about. Same size. We're in the swamp now.
They're all in the water, but they won't.
How many they got out? Ooh, there they are. Can't see them too good, but...
Look, can't feed them.
Wait, no. Oh, I see him. Okay, that's just one. There could be... Just can't see him very good. She's got her blankie. She got her blankie this morning. Did she have her coffee, you think? Hi. This is the new thing right here. Look. This is called the Gorilla Truck. The ultimate virtual reality experience.
Can you do it?
Oh, that's so cool. The chairs move. Are you flying? It's okay. Is he touching you? The gorillas are touching him.
Mom, one of them jumped above the trees. Oh, this is scary.
Was it good? Go around.
Like the gorilla got so close to my face.
Yeah.
And what scared me a lot, I got the heebie-jeebies. We were in space, and I was like, I was getting scared.
Wow. Okay, what?
So guys, we already did. It was so full. It's some bones over here. Oh God, this is a juicy bones. This is for the liver. It's called your mama. Okay, come on, let's time up. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Come on here. Here, we got a long one. Here, take it. Come on, we got to go visit your malak. Everyone has animals. He can rip your livers apart. And he loves the pancreas. Be careful. Oh, God.
Oh, sorry. This way.
Small cat container.
Center.
Oh.
You gonna open the door? Over here, buddy, look.
And I also got a cat coin. Can I take a picture of him?
Look at this sleepy little guy. Looks like he's got little piggy tails. Pretty thing.
How's your baby?
Can you hear him breathing? Listen. He's making a sound. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What kind of animal is this? A serval?
Oh, he said tip.
Look at that face. He looks like Lilo,
Look at his
doesn't he?
big eyes.
See, this is what Lilo looks like.
Look at his big eyes.
Yeah, he's
It's
big.
a double. He said tip.
Did you know they're really good? They're really good fishermen.
He said tip.
They
Mama.
fish.
Oh, what's up, baby?
Oh,
What's up, baby?
hi, cutie pie. You are beautiful. You want to come live with us? Our cats are about your size. We found the tigers. They were outside. Can't see them too good.
Stop the play. And he will pounce in just a minute.
Go.
And then okay, fine. Yo, mama. Kalika. Hey, mama.
Excited? You want to go on that side? Okay, go. There you go. Remember, don't touch his tail or anything. Look, they have a big one. Look. Oh, here comes some.